Hello everyone, welcome back to another daily bullet journal planning session with me. We're going to jump right in today. I had forgotten yesterday to track the fluffiness, so that's what we did this morning. Up a pound from last week, but it's also, those times, so whatevs. It is kind of a brutal slap in the face when you see those graphs. And when it dips down, lo and behold, it does correlate with how much you move, huh? And how about that on the bottom for strength? Straight goose eggs. Marking off the old habits. I was thinking that next month I might try and do something super crazy like no sugar. Because, I don't know, I'm a glutton for punishment. You don't even understand how hard that would be for me. I love sugar. Straight into the day. I think today is actually supposed to be sunny, so that'll be a wonderful change of pace. We won't have time to go to the pool or anything because we have a birthday party today, and as you will see, lots of other shit. I am filling in my intermittent fasting. Actually ended up eating lunch really late yesterday, breakfast, lunch, because we were just busy in the morning, and then stopped eating about 8:30 after a gigantic bowl of ice cream. How's that for no sugar? We did end up going to the pool yesterday. They swam like fish. Didn't make it to the park because they swam so long. But it was pretty great. YouTube stuff this morning. I need to film this and do the voiceover for this, and then the voiceover for a hand lettering video that I did yesterday. And then I put a little barbell sticker. I don't know where I'm going with this.
Move, you fat ass.
And then a fancy sticker because this afternoon I'm going to try and sneak away to our NICU family reunion. A couple of very wonderful families of NICU graduates in the past organized this yearly function where past NICU families get together and celebrate all that they have overcome and achieved, and it's pretty amazing. NICU moms and dads they're something else, I tell you. Miraculous. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Sticking some heart stickers on there. And then filling out the miracle morning this morning. I'm not sure what I'm going to be able to manage, but we'll just put a walk. I mean, I might get crazy and try and break into a jog, but I don't know about that. We'll see. Ooh, today, busy day. Oh, and I even put the sticker. And another note sticker because I cannot remember, rather I cannot forget that we need to pick up the cake from Costco after noon. Addie chose a rainbow vanilla sheet cake with vanilla buttercream and all the frosting. She's my girl. And then just writing in our to-do lists for today. YouTubes.
The YouTubes.
I'm pretty excited about the hand lettering thing I did yesterday. I mean, granted, I didn't come up with any of these lettering styles. I'm just sort of showing you how I would use them, like maybe in a quote form, just to make it look fun, and you can apply the same principles to your planners and to anything you want to look snazzy fancy. Writing in the family reunion, I have to mail that package to Bath and Beauty Freak, who won the little repurposed book. So check her out. I'm sure she is a peach. What else am I writing now? Oh, party. And I even put a sticker, because why not? And then some stars. We are certainly excited for our party. I think that's all I have today. You guys, thanks again for tuning in. I don't know why, but you keep coming back, and I'm having a ball, so I hope you are too, and maybe it's inspiring you to go a little bit ham on your planners. Please subscribe and visit again soon. Thanks.